Hi, today I can show you how to use Eclipse for Python programming. So if you're from Java background, you are already familiar with Eclipse. So Eclipse is widely used with Java programming. So if you are moving to Python and you want Eclipse to be your default IDE, so you can also use Eclipse for Python. So first of all, we have to go Eclipse Marketplace. I hope you already know it, this marketplace. And here you need to install a pydev plugin. I have already installed pydev plugin, so if I can search pydev, then here it can see install. As you can see here, it can showing install. So it is very easy to install pydev plugin. You need to just accept this license term and you need to go click next. It will got installed. So I've already installed, so it is showing installed here. Let me go back to, so if your pydev plugin got successfully installed, then on clicking file, new and other, you can see pydev here. Okay, so I can select pydev project, next, and here I need to give my name of my project. So I can choose any name of my project, and here I am choosing Python_dev, and here I am getting one error that my interpreter is not configured, so I need to click this and I can select manual config. Here I can choose new and I can give any name to the interpreter. I can give Python _int. Okay. So here I need to specify the executable. Executable is just a place where you can install Python. So if you can install Python 2.7, you have to go local disk C, Python 2.7, and you have to select this Python exe. So when I select this Python exe and clicking OK, it is importing the libraries. Here you can see, and after clicking OK, so my interpreter got configured. Okay, I have to select apply. There are a lot of libraries going to import. You are seeing here, so it will take some time. You need to be patient. After successfully configuring my Python interpreter, you can see these are the options, and I can select apply and close. Now I can select finish, and my Python interpreter is successfully. Here you can see all the external libraries, predefined completion, all these things coming after configuring my Python interpreter. So in order to write my first program, I need to click on my project, new, and file, and I can give any name to my file. Let me give me, so I can give my file name python1.py and finish. So in order to test everything is successful, I can write one small script, just printing. So I write one small script, just print hey Python. In order to run this script, I need to click here, and here you can see my script got executed and it is showing hey Python. So that's all for how to set up Eclipse for Python coding. Thank you. Thanks a lot.